everyone, and today we are going to be unboxing the Canon EOS 200D Mark II, or also known as the SL3, depending on where you're from. This is my new camera and I'm really excited to just get it unboxed and get some footage of it. What is this box? How am I supposed to do this? Cut. Okay, I finally got this thing opened with a bit of help from my dad. Now this is the manual. It's written Rebel SL3 or 200D Mark II or Kiss Extend. I've not heard of this Kiss Extend name, I've just heard of these two, but I guess it depends. Anyway, this manual is something I'll read later. And now, oh, this is the Wi-Fi thing because this thing comes with Wi-Fi. That's a plus. And now the camera. Oh my god, this is some high level packaging. Stuff. More stuff. And now here we come to the critical parts. This is the wire which is charged and stuff. This is the battery which I should probably be secure. And now this is the battery charger. I've never really used one of these because it's my first camera, so it's going to be something I'll explore. And now this is the lens, which I'm going to use very, very carefully. So these things are really expensive. So much packaging, and oh my god, this thing looks so good. This is the battery strap, shoulder strap, different batteries. And then here we have the camera itself in the body. This is inside this. I'm not going to open this right now because it's very prone to dust stuff, so I'm just going to keep it aside. Next we have something in this fancy box, which is probably 55mm to 250mm lens, which is the big lens. I'm not going to open it because yeah, and that's everything in the box. This box is now unboxed. Okay, so I've got the whole camera set up. Here's the kit lens and here's the eye. Oh my god, guys, I can't tell you how happy I am for this camera because it's going to capture so much content. And it has this flip out screen which can be really useful, and I can just put this inside and then this touch screen is safe and secure inside, and then there's this padding, cool padding. And now I'm just going to switch the cameras. By the way, I'm using the kit lens, but there's also the other lens which is 55mm to 250mm, but I've not used it yet. I'm going to use it in the future maybe. Oh my god, this feels good. Now let's switch cameras. Okay, so I've got the Canon SL3 finally on camera. This is how it sounds like, this is how it looks. I think it looks really good, and plus it doesn't make the noise when I'm zooming in. I can zoom in with my hands, so it's really cool. And this is my old camera. This is the one I was shooting on, and it's not good. It's definitely not good, at least compared to this one. It has the mic on top, which is the worst place for a mic. And look at the zoom on this thing. It instantly, okay, why are you doing this? Wait, I'll just turn off the light. Okay, now why? Okay, fine. Here's the cube, and look how it instantly focuses on the cube. And I can even set this to, wait, just the lighting. I can even set this to manual focus, which it has the option on the lens. Where is it? Does it make a click sound? Yes. And now I can set the focus on the cube and now on the camera. On the camera and now on the cube. Okay, which side? Yes. Now on the cube and now on the light. This is so cool. Let's set this back to the air. AF. What? Why is this so tight? Yes, finally. Okay, so I'm very excited for this camera, and it's going to capture lots and lots of content for me. And so you can be expecting some high quality content now. So, bye!